this again. So what we are planning that today this is the second round of cleaning of the office. That is, today we are concentrating indoors, but the next second Friday we'll be doing it outdoors. And when we do it outdoors, then we will be cleaning the adjoining roads as well. We'll go out on the road and we'll clean it so that people see and people. We'll have to. We are the people who will have to set standards for the people. You know, we have to set the precedents. We have to. So that's what I think is so important. It is important inside the office as well. You know, because the offices have also become very dirty. People have stopped looking at it. You know, this has you know, the way we have degenerated in the last about 30-40 years is that we have a sign that we have a person who is to be cleaning the floor, and that means everybody can litter around, everybody can throw the things, and you don't have to worry about it. There is somebody else who will take care of it. No, that it doesn't happen that way. Everybody, every individual in the house, the way a small house has been handling, you know, that we have been brooming, we have been cleaning, I have been sweeping my own house. So that's how it has to be. That everybody, I mean, if you start saying that somebody else will do this thing, you know, so somebody else will do, it doesn't happen that way. So gradually this thing has to be imbibed into the people, and I think biggies will have to come out and go to various places. I remember that thing, you know, that one of the days you do, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, the cleaning drive was there, you know. It was something remarkable. That's kind of things will have to be done. And maybe, I don't know, they could, somebody should take lead into that, and every department should be allotted some area in the city. All the officers and everybody goes there and cleans it. Let everybody see that everybody is cleaning it, you know. All the departments, all the officers, all the ministers, all the politicians, all the MLAs, all the people, you know. This can be a very good thing to do but by sitting in seminars and talking about it, that it is dirty and Umkra needs to be cleaned, it doesn't get cleaned up, you know. It'll never happen. So that's what it is. So tomorrow again we are going to the colonies. Second Saturday, every second Saturday we will go to the colonies. Not Sunday here, because quite a number of people are Christians, so they go to the church. So that's why we have chosen the second Saturday. So tomorrow again we will go to the colonies and we'll see the cleaning. I mean, that has been fairly streamlined now, but we have to talk to some of the people, those who do not come out of their houses. We have to pull them out that no, this is our collective job, everybody should be a part of it. So that's what it is.
In this 1.5 years, how many times have you conduct this cleaning drive?
1.5 years back. Now it is happening every month once. Every colony, each colony, you can go and you can visit yourself. I have gone and see. I wanted to see myself that once I have done it, now whether it continues. I was amazed to see that it is really continuing.
We are doing on second Saturday.
Yeah.
And Sundays.
Yeah. Second Saturday suits everyone because then all the people are available. So that's it. Second Saturday, sometimes Sundays. And,
so would you think that other departments should take up this? Not only the BSNL, people from BSNL, but other administrative
units.
Departments. Yeah, they should be involved in this. Do you have some?
So every department should be involved in cleaning their office and their colonies. That's one part. Then all the people have to be involved into cleaning the city. That means this is what I was making a suggestion, that perhaps Department of Administration, Government of Meghalaya takes a lead and they fix up certain locality for one particular department. Let all the people go. Then everybody has to do it. It's not that it has been that BSNL will go to say Laban. So Laban, BSNL funds it and gives money, and somebody claims it and comes back. No, that's not the purpose of it. The purpose is that all the officers go to Laban, be on the street, pick up the litter things, you know, and put it right, set an example for the people living in Laban, so that henceforth they would start coming out and they would start doing their cleaning themselves, and preferably they would not litter. So that's the kind of thing.
That's how we get a clean shalom. And a
That's
green
how
shalom.
That's how we can. In fact, if this starts happening today, it doesn't take more than 6 months to get a clean shalom.
हमारा है CDM floor process नहीं to start in our floor.
Because this message, goes just like this, everybody, every taxi man, everybody, every driver, everybody realizes, that now this is happening, so you don't have to throw, you don't have to litter.
So your good name, sir?
DP Singh. DP Singh. And all these officers, they've been such a wonderful support to me. Not that they are my officers, that's why I'm saying it. But I remember the first instance when we had done this cleaning for the colonies, all the officers, they were there. Not a single one missing it. But none of the colony people there was there, because that's what had been for ages, for years.
When the people want to do it, do it.
Yes.
We will stay at home.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So if I issue an instruction, that I'm coming to see how this is clean, how clean is if the cleaning is all right, somebody will do something, they will spend some money here and there, but it doesn't happen. It never gets channelized, And I've seen such a tremendous response from everyone, that means people are really willing. Everybody has realized. I'm sure you all have realized it, So we are all human beings, and everybody comes forward, is doing it, cleaning it, and it goes on. And the generations to come will see it. The result.
Trying to take this the movement of the BSNL further, sir. I mean, like in the rural areas, where like education, people are not that educated.
Yes, that's right.
Cleanliness. So do you prefer like
Yes,
sending officers out there?
that will be yet. Yes, you have
Not only
added
an
to-
awareness program, but actually doing something for them
Yes,
and
doing-
educating them.
Yeah. If you go and you start doing, it's again taking the lead, like you do in the city, you go to the rural areas. There can be another thing that you go to the rural areas. And yes, of course, all the departments, we all geared up with vehicles and everything. I mean, once in a month, or once in 2 months, once in 3 months, we can organize that. We can cover 3-4 villages.
Most of in rural areas we have these tourist spots.
Yeah.
So mostly these it attracts the tourists from outside of the state. So if they
Yeah.
come and see if they're interested in the place, obviously who will want to go to that place?
That's right. That's right. Absolutely.
GFP audits also is happening. All the three
Yeah. Achha, all the
Nowadays you see the
officers.
civil hospital also so dirty. Inside civil hospital.
We have seen them.
You see now,
Okay.
very dirty, no?
We have seen most of the departments take this cleaning drive seriously just after Modi
Every
come.
government hospital, like
See,
Ganesh Das.
we are the ones we started 1.5 years
Before
before
this-
that, and when Modi announced it, I got so many SMSs from the officers, those who left me and went away. I still have one of the SMS. It's
Government
really.
hospitals and this
Yes,
Meghalaya
yes,
transport
yes.
and
Now most of the
some
departments-
department.
And unless
like
all-
Ganesh Das,
Yeah.
very dirty.
Yeah, all the doctors, all the ministers, all the MLAs, they
How
must
can you
come.
expect patients to stay in such kinds of
Yeah.
See, issue is not this. See, let's not talk from a distance.
Yeah.
Let's become a part of it.
Part
That
of
is, how can I go there as a patient?
Okay. Yeah.
How would I survive there as a patient? That's a question to be asked.
And Polo River side also. And
Yes,
not,
the rivers.
river nahi kaha, so just like a drain.
That's like a dream.
Totally,
True. I only discovered later, that.
see, I'll tell you one mentality of people
Please
on here.
start. Yeah.
If some like officers from state governments or will come, they'll join them. But after a few months' time, they'll just pass by that. Like for example, Wamkha. They'll just pass by, and instead of doing something, they'll start throwing something into the.
Yeah.
Isn't that true?
True. What I have been seeing,
From there, people don't want to make a sanitary
Yeah.
direct to the river.
see, there See, that's where the governance comes into play. Governance comes
Yeah.
into play. I mean, first of all, why have you allowed people to settle down along the river?
Yeah.
That's the
That
first
is the
question.
first question.
I have the answer as well as to who did it and how it has happened and why it has happened. But somewhere it has to stop. Somewhere some people will have to take it up, or somewhere somebody inspired like Modi will have to be there who says that no, it has to stop now. You cannot go on doing that. And then there has to be some legislation saying that, please carry on, that you cannot discharge your household garbage into the river.
Into the river.
Yeah. And if you do that, you have to set examples, you have to arrest certain people and put behind the bars,
Give some punishment.
Yes,
Like certain laws must be enacted.
it has to.
No.
Yeah. And in fact, once the determination is shown, the things start happening, Right after the Modi's government has come, the Delhi, I have seen how it has changed. Now Delhi on the road, nobody dares jump up light, My own driver, when I go to Delhi, the one who's given is the same man, he keeps telling me, sir, ab to nahi bilkul.
मतलब बहुत सारा change
All
हो
things
चुका
like
है.
that. So it happens, it has
It
to
does
be.
not need to happen only in the capital, but
It has to.
other states,
Yes,
the whole
yes,
Northeast
it has to.
state,
Yeah.
especially northeastern states,
Absolutely. You very well suggested, that we should go out into the rural
where
areas.
because northeastern states is like a tourism place where most of the tourists come because we have attractive tourist spots.
Yeah.
So if tourists come and see this, please explore Nagaland.
Yeah.
Meghalaya should be more clean.
Sorry?
Meghalaya should be more clean because there's a lot of tourist spots.
See, the worry for me is that if we do not do something for it now, after 10 years, after 20 years, it will become any other spot in the country. As dirty as any other spot.
You are setting an example to the future generation that's coming out. They will definitely lead that kind of lifestyle which you are already leading.
नहीं, ये आदत के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है. जैसे कि देखिए अभी जैसे एग्जांपल एक सेंट मैरी स्कूल को ही ले लीजिए. मेरे बच्चे खुद चिप्स एक खरीद के वो चिप्स के पैकेट को खत्म करके वो चिप्स के पैकेट को अपने बैग में रखती है क्योंकि उसका आदत उस तरह से बनाया हुआ है. इसीलिए तो जो मतलब इसका आदत बन चुका है खाओ और फेंको.
So what he means to say, he said, what from your side means
Yeah.
like it's just start from the family itself.
फैमिली itself, yeah.
If you
But
born and brought up
families-
in such a family
Yeah.
where cleanliness is one of the topmost priority, then you can automatically be clean and do not litter.
Let me tell you, last 15 years I've been trying in my family. That whenever we travel in the car, I'm telling you the truth, I remember the incident when I was in Kanpur, posted in Kanpur, and I was living in Lucknow. From Lucknow to Kanpur, on every weekend we will travel. And there was a commissioner of income tax. She was also from Lucknow, so she will also travel back with me. I remember that time that once there was some meeting, etc., so we were coming by the official car. So we had taken something to eat on the way. Now she had carried a small polythene bag to